Time to take a look now at your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great weekend. We did have a little bit of light rain over the weekend, really not a whole lot to speak of, but the good news, warmer temperatures both Saturday and especially yesterday where we topped off at 47 degrees. Today, you can see as we look into Grant County and our friends in Ephrata outside our weather window from this afternoon, light rain showers falling in Grant County, and we have had plenty of that here in Chelan County as well. It began about 1 o'clock this afternoon here in Wenatchee, and we've even seen some pretty hard rain at times this afternoon. But we also have snow in our forecast. I mentioned earlier, if you're traveling west, you are going to run into some snow. Look at this, Stevens Pass, 12 to 18 inches of snow, and this goes until about 4 p.m. on Tuesday, so snow tonight and most of tomorrow. Be extra careful traveling west, and that also goes for Blewett Pass. Blewett could see about 6 to 10 inches of snow, and even if you're traveling up north, Loop Pass, 6 to 8 inches. Mazama as well could pick up over a half foot of snow over the next 24 hours or so. So just use extra care. Also coming our way, periods of wind, and that goes for the Waterville Plateau, also the Columbia Basin. Could see gusts on Monday tonight, 20 to 40 miles an hour. On Tuesday, that could go from 25 to 50 miles an hour. Here in Wenatchee, we'll see about 20 to 26 mile an hour wind gusts at our peak, but the real wind, once again, Waterville Plateau and into that Columbia Basin over the next 24 hours. Not a bad day today unofficially. Our high temperature, 46 degrees, just 1 degree above where we should be for this time of year at 45. Our record, 59 degrees, and that was set in 1991. Very mild this morning, 37 our overnight low. That's 8 degrees above where we should be for a low, which is about 29 this time of year. Our record low just a couple years ago in 2023 of 12 degrees. All right, 1/10 of an inch of rain. That was from over the weekend. Doesn't count anything that we've picked up today, so I'll update that for you tomorrow. But it does get us over an inch now to 1.08 inches, which is still just a little over a half inch below where we should be for this time of year. Our sun came up this morning at 6:49 and it sets at 5:39. All right, taking a look at your temperatures as we get you into Tuesday. A big warm-up. It's going to be a one-day warm-up, mainly because of all the wind that we expect tomorrow. 55 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 54 in Quincy tomorrow, 51 for Wenatchee, and then upper 40s. Eniat and Chelan, Omak, mid to upper 40s there, and be nice and warm in our upper elevations as well. Leavenworth, high temperature tomorrow of 49 degrees. But remember, lots of wind is headed our direction. Mainly it's from this area of low pressure that's just off our northwest coast. It'll swing some clouds in tonight and bring us about a 60% chance of the rain continuing tonight. Low temperatures in the mid-30s. For your Tuesday, there's that fetch of wind from north central Washington down south and over in the Spokane area. A 60% chance of rain in our forecast for Tuesday as well. Warmer though, with high temperatures jumping up into the low 50s. Like I said, it'll be a one-day warm-up with that wind. Wednesday, high pressure moves into southeast Idaho. We will just see some high clouds in the afternoon on Wednesday and seasonal high temperatures as our temps go back to the mid-40s, about where we should be for this time of year. For Thursday, high pressure still in control with a big ridge over the Pacific Northwest. High clouds and warmer with temperatures near 50 again on Thursday, so we'll warm right back up by the end of the week. Same goes for Friday. It looks like a nice end to our work week. Partly cloudy and mild. High temperatures again above normal at around 50 degrees for Friday. And now getting into the upcoming weekend, things don't look bad at all. High clouds for Saturday, maybe a 20% chance for rain. Could just see a little area of low pressure just off our coast, but I think most of the showers will stay in the Cascades Saturday. Going to be nice and mild as we welcome in March on Saturday with highs around 50. And then on Sunday, more of the same, just nice mild weather. Partly cloudy for our second day of March and mild with high temperatures then jumping up into the low 50s. All right, taking a look at your 7-day forecast. 35 overnight tonight. Rain likely and windy tomorrow with a high of 51. Back to normal, at least for one day on Wednesday with some high clouds and 44 degrees. And then we're right back to the warmer weather Thursday right through through Sunday. We could see a scattered shower Saturday, but for the most part, look at those temps, upper 40s and lower 50s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.